Everybody is looking for smarter ways to use their crypto. Nexo might just be the game changer you've missed. Unlock crypto power. Here's how. Here's why it matters. Nexo is a crypto lending platform that's been around since 2018. Think of it as a bridge connecting people who want to earn passive income on their crypto, with others who need quick loans without selling their digital assets. It supports over 40 currencies, making crypto more useful around the world. From Bitcoin to USDC, Nexo has carved out a global reputation. But what sets Nexo apart? It's the NEXO Token. They've built their whole ecosystem around it. If you hold Nexo tokens, you unlock way better benefits. We're talking higher interest rates on your savings, lower rates when you borrow, and even free withdrawals for your crypto. Let's say you're lending your stablecoins or Bitcoin on Nexo. With Nexo tokens in your account, your interest rates get a boost. Borrowers get perks too. Lower APRs the more Nexo they hold. And just holding Nexo tokens, you'll earn passive rewards on them, plus instant cashback every time you swap on the Nexo Exchange. So why does this matter? The Nexo token isn't just another crypto, it's your VIP pass inside the Nexo platform. You get rewarded for being part of the community, and your assets work harder for you. Is Nexo right for you? That's up to you to decide. But if you want more from your crypto, it's worth a closer look. Remember, always do your own research and know the risks. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more crypto breakdowns like this.